The calamity destroyed the residents. Blank. Would this be together all? Letter B, all together. All, no space together. Letter C, all together, one word. Or letter D, at all. What is this? Sigaw ng taong bayan, letter C for item number 6, all together. No space, no space, sana all no space. The calamity destroyed the residents. Ang tumpak na choice is letter C. Ayon, no? All together, nakabawi ang taong bayan. Okay? So what is the difference? Ito, nalabas din ito sa LEP na paulit-ulit. Medyo nandyan din siya sa mga paborito ng ating licensure exam. Okay? Ano po ba yung pagkakaiba? Of course, no? Liligwakin na natin tong letter A at letter D. No? Ito lang naman yung ating pinagpipilian. No? But what is the difference between letters B at C? No? So when you say all together, na walang space, no? Ito po yung ating sagot. This means completely, no? Or as a whole. Okay? So completely, entirely. Ang all na may space naman po, all together, this means everyone together or everything together. Okay? So everybody together, that's all together. Pero kapag sinabi natin the calamity destroyed residents all together, walang space, ibig sabihin, no, nalimas talaga, no, completely damaged. Okay? Merong ayuda from barangay kapag ganito, di ba? As a whole, no, naubos talaga, nasira talaga yung residents nila, yung bahay nila completely, entirely, that's all together, no space. So letter C is the right choice.